So now there's a problem. Our circles grow, and they grow, and they grow, and they grow, and they don't stop growing. So we can use if statements or conditional statements to prevent them from growing forever. So to make one, let's start by creating a variable. Let's call it float grow limit. Let's give a default value of any number really, 500 will work. Now let's go back down to here, and what we're going to do is really say straightforward. We're going to say if circles squiggles. Recall, what do squiggle brackets mean? This was said in the first one. Squiggle brackets is what we are doing. So this if statement currently does nothing, but if I was to say print in here, then it would print. So inside the circle brackets here, I'm going to put in our statement. I'm going to say if the current size is greater than, grow limit is the name of the variable. So if current size is greater than grow limit, then I should reset the current size. So current size equals 0. Let's increase the grow factor to make this a little bit easier to see. I'm going to put the grow factor to 10. And now when I press play, it should grow a lot faster, and there you go. You see it goes all the way back, and it's very weird looking. Now let's say I wanted to actually just reverse. So I'm going to say instead, grow factor equals negative grow factor. And there you go. Now you'll see that it actually does not work entirely as expected. That's because it's going negative and it's continuing to go negative. So with our if statements, we can add an and or an or. So to say or, we do this. This means or. And let's copy this bit, paste it. And let's say if current size is smaller than, because it's negative, it's reversed, the negative grow limit. Okay? So for example, we can, and this is how I like to test it, if the current size is 505 is greater than 500, then that's true. Or the current size, so let's say it's negative 505 is smaller than 500, that's true as well. If either one is true, the if statement will execute. It'll do this. If neither is true, it will not execute. So now let's see how this looks. And there you go.